Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Wednesday class. And for these craft time, we are going to make another fun animal that comes from the family of the ones that make a funny noise. Let's see if you can guess. It has this kind of color, pink. Very good. Huh? And it makes a funny noise like oink oink. Did you guess? It's not Foofies. No. No, not a bunny. I know she's pink and she makes a funny noise, but it's another farm animal. A pig. Very good. We are making a pig. And if you can see, you can actually see our sheep mask. That's the one we made during the Zoom class. We can keep having fun at the house. And we are making today a pig's face. So you have two options with this activity. You can either make it for you and you can, instead of the eyes, googly eyes, or like Miss Joy has here, I'm gonna put two brown eyes on the pig. You can just open the spaces on the mask and you can use it for you. So instead of googly eyes or paper like this, you can have it as a mask. You can do that as well. You can cut circles. But let's see what we're gonna need today. We're gonna need paint. Paint. And if you don't have pink, you can make it. How do we make color pink? Do you know? Can you remember primary colors? Okay, red and white. If you mix them together, you get pink. Not too much red. You get a little bit of red and more of white, a bigger amount of the white. Okay? And you mix. And you will get a light pink. If you get too much red, you might get a darker pink, like hot pink. We don't want that because the pigs are light pink, a little bit like Foofies as well. Okay, more like skin color. But we have this kind here as well, okay? Maybe this is actually even too dark because pigs are even lighter than this, but this is the one that we get from the school. All right, we will also need a paintbrush and a cup and water, paper plate, and a magic trick. What's that? Can you see that? Is a yogurt cup. Do you see it? Those kinds that you have, that you take to school for snacks. So what Miss Joy did to have it ready for this activity, I glue it from before, okay? So I went ahead and I glue it from the bottom to the paper plate so it was ready for this activity for you guys. But you can also do it if you have a hot glue gun. If you have it ready at your house, you can do it right away. But Miss Joy had liquid silicone glue, so I went ahead to have it ready for this video. And I got it from the bottom and I glue it to the plate. Now it's ready, you see? So, what else do we need? We need the ears. So this will be representing the nose of the pigs. The pig's nose, you see? So it's a little bit of a 3D mask. And we also have ears. Ta-da! So these are looking like what? Can you tell? These are carton eggs. Yay! So Miss Joy went ahead and I cut it out of the eggs carton box. You see? And I made a little bit of a shape like the ears of the pigs. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna glue it from the bottom. So So I'm going to show you now. From this bottom part, you're going to glue it to the top of the plate. One side and the other, because we have 2 ears for the pigs. So let's see from which side. I think this is correct. So I actually managed to find a glue gun for this video, and I put it on one ear and then in the bottom of the other one quickly. If you get a hot glue gun, make sure you're with mommy or daddy, never by yourself. You do not get this kind of materials in working by yourself, because this is hot and you can get burned. It's dangerous. Even for Miss Joy, I need to be very careful, okay? All right. Ta-ta! Do you see now? So these are the ears of the pig. Do you see? What are we missing? We are actually now going to paint it. So we get the paint and we start painting our plate. You see? We paint the pig. We want to make sure it goes everywhere. This is why I went ahead and painted the yogurt cup from before, because I knew that it needed to be very still, very well attached to the plate for the activity. Look, it's quickly looking more like a pig's face. So this is just the pig's face. Look. If you want to make it like a mask for you, instead of the googly eyes or the construction paper that I'm using, you will just have to use your scissors and cut holes in the plate, and you will be able to use it as mask and take more fun pictures, just like we did with the sheep at the class. It was so much fun. The only thing is that you might have to wait. Look, you don't have to do it this fast. You just need to know that Miss Joy is doing it at this speed because it's just a video. But at the house, you take your time and make sure you paint it well. You paint it everywhere. Look, actually, I was thinking you can even do it for your show and tell. What about that? You can use it as a show and tell. That would be so cool. So for the nose, to make it look more like a pig, we make the nose. We put 2 black spots. So one here, one here, and the other one here. You see, to make it look more like a pig's nose, because they need to breathe. I need to paint more around this. Ooh, it's falling down. Still kind of wet, you see? And what are we missing? We're missing the eyes of the pig. But if you don't want to do that, if you want to use it as a mask, you can do it as well. And what about the smiley face? When it's dry, you can draw a smiley face in the bottom. You can also paint it, but now since it's wet, it's really difficult to do it because the paint won't take it. But do you see? Does it look like a pig? I think it does. It's really cute and funny. And if you like, you can also use it as an idea for your show and tell. I hope you have fun.